Shoot, good morning. I pray you Marylanders are good with those touchdowns last night. I was asleep. I woke up and I went to the bathroom. I was sitting there. I was like, oh, oh. I felt it. I felt it in the air. And then when I got done, I went and I got back on my bed. And I lay there. And all of a sudden, I heard the shift in the rain. I said, oh shit. And then I heard the shift in the winds. I felt the shift in the winds. I said, oh gosh. I said, oh. I know I've been watching the movies Twisters all day, but that does not mean that we gotta get the Twisters. My son says, Mom, didn't you get the alert on the phone? I said I was asleep. I didn't wake up. So as always, spirits woke me up and said, get up, pay attention. And I'm telling you, that was the first time that I didn't look at the skies. And I just sat and felt the changing of everything that was going on outside. It scared the shit out of me. I was getting ready to climb in this box. But I went back to sleep. And then I woke up and I go and sit out at the table, and my son and one of his friends was in the chairs, and he says, Mom, did you not get the thing on the tornadoes? I tried to call you. You didn't answer. He says, I figured you were asleep. He said, I was going to get in the freezer, Mom. But yeah, I knew they were here, and it was just by sitting, hearing, listening, feeling. Oh, yeah, it was wow. But the sun is shining, and it's beautiful.